Valerie's virtual time. Hello everyone, today we are going to style the images in the video, but first I'm going to do something a little bit more special. Look, you might have saw that, but look, this is the code that I'm going to use in one. It says move your mouse over the image. Well, you might think it's just going to be a boring old one, but this is gonna hover even the slightest. See? It still changes. The computer is really smart and knows to change that when your mouse moves over. Look, oh, so cool. So let's see. So that's really cool. That's one thing I want to add to my images. So let's see. Recycle and recycle, and I have two recycles. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a towel, buy it, so. And I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna move this to the front. So we're gonna fix the images. Yeah, so. Image. Alright. No, this is the text shadow effect. Do I need it? No, I might. Center an image. Image display block, margin left, margin right, both auto with 50. Not image. Display block, margin left, auto, margin right, auto, with, and 50%. There, let's see how that looks like. Well, it looks a little bit more better. All of them. So yeah. Alright, what to do next? Oh yeah, the border. Let's see. I forgot how to do a border. Hold on, let's see. How do we make a border? Border images. Border 10 pics. Okay. I think I know how to do it. At least. Border. Let's see. 60 pics. Rid. How do you spell ridge? It doesn't even want me to spell ridge. Oh, I forgot the D. Ridge, not red. Let's see, green. And let's see, let's refresh and all right. How nice. Let's make it like a circle pictures. Circle. Border. Now we're gonna do 100. Oh, 100 pics. There. I don't want it to look like a phone. I want it to look like a circle. 900 pics. Yeah, that should be good enough. Oh! What? Okay, now I'm gonna add the most amazing one. Flipping, if I could only at least find it. I gotta go down. Oh, what's this? What? Hold on, guys. Okay, anyways. There it is. Alright, image hover transform scale X scale 1. Image hover transform scale X scale 1. I'm just gonna do a regular old image because I forgot. Is it image hover? I just wanted to know. Yeah, it's image hover. Alright. Hover. Alright, now what to do next? I know I have to go back and forth, but transform scale X minus 1. Transform scale X minus 1. How do you even do this thing? I keep forgetting. Transform scale X minus 1. Transform scale X minus 1. Scale X. Scale X. Negative 1. There, that should do the trick. You might think nothing changes. Oh. But look. Oh, the what? It kind of looks really weird, though. Do you like it? Maybe when someone like accidentally points at it, it's like, what? This flips? Dancing anemones, dancing anemones, dancing anemones, dancing anemones. Okay, now I just gotta style this truck. There it is. I know I keep playing it, but yeah, it's too satisfying. So let's search how to style. Oh, we might not need this anymore. Yeah, we don't need that. Oh, goodbye. Let's search how to style. Let's see, how to style videos. Yeah, how to style videos in CSS. Which one should we do? Let's go down a bit. You know I'm pressing my down arrow right now. I like W3 schools. So let's choose. How do you style video in center? Using margin, video, display block, margin auto, using transform. I'll do the simplest one. Oh, stack up. Display block, margin 0 auto. Alright, but what's the name of the top? Video? Okay, let's just put video. Video, space this. Oh, this. And let's see now. Display block. Display block. Of course, we need that display block. Display block. margin 0. I think that's enough. Let's just let's save it. Yeah. Let's just refresh. See if anything. Okay, so it looks like we need to add the margin. All right. Oops. Looks like we really do need to add the margin. I keep forgetting what to add. Margin 0 auto, obviously. Margin 0 auto. Margin 0 auto. Auto, not allo. Okay, hopefully this works. Hopefully something changes with. Why is that thing always down there? Minimize. Yes. 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 So I'm just wondering, do you want to make it bigger? I'm wondering if I. Oh, okay, let's not pull that up. Let's see. Let's add the border. Yep, let's add the border. Let's add the border. Let's add the border. Let's add the border. Never mind that. We gotta do some border things. So let's see. How to make how to put a border in on a video in CSS. Which one should we do? Let's see. In HTML or in CSS? I'll scroll down so we can read. See, the border color, specify the color of the border style, specify the style. Yeah, I know that, but how do we, like, border? Do we need to add that border to the video? Oh! We need to add that border to the video in order to. You know what? I want to make this bigger. Size about around like 50 pics. Enter. Let's see. Border. Definitely gonna do. Definitely gonna do ridge. So let's see, border 30 pics, ridge, and let's see, blue. Oh! Okay, maybe blue. I'm gonna change the green. Yeah, excuse me, I'm gonna change the green. Oh, speaking of green, actually I want to change it to purple because you know what I forgot last video? To add the background color. So, let's add the background color. Definitely I'm gonna add it to blue. So, let's go all the way up here. And do body. No wonder I forgot it. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put it to blue. Come on, blue, show up. Alright. Blue is a little bit not I'm gonna change it to something lighter like yellow, so the shadows can stand out. See what I mean? Like, look, if you change it to blue, like, I'll wait here, go back to the part, I might be a little bit close, but go back to the part where it was blue. And you can tell that there's no shadow is because that blue is too dark and the shadows can't stand it. I want the shadows to stand out. So I chose a brighter color to make the shadows stand out. And I chose this shadow to become blue, and if I change the background color to blue, then that shadow won't stand out. And this one won't stand out because, well, it's too light. It's like lighter than blue, but it's not lighter than yellow, so it can stand out. Blue is a dark color, so I'm supposed to choose a bright color so all the shadows can stand out. Well, people that can't see red, if you're watching this video, I'm so sorry. I'm going to change the background that cannot see the red. Well, I can because I'm close to the screen. You can't really see me, but I'm going to go ahead to my color picker. It's color. The color picker. Let's go ahead and choose something like teal. I know I'm crazy about teal, but no worries. It's all fine. So instead of yellow, I might not need this anymore. Don't worry, I can open it again. Instead of yellow, I'm gonna do RGB and RGB. And copy that inside, and let's see what it looks like. Refresh. It's kind of like a snowy background. Okay, you know what? I'm giving up on this. I'm going to change the P tag shadow to color. I am going to text shadow instead of 10 pixels. So anyways, I'm going to make this pop out. So instead of 10 pixels, I'm doing 90 pixels. There. Make it pop out more. Oh! Okay, let's change that to, well, I've got way too far. Let's go to 50. 50. And then the reason why, let's go to 90 this one. Second. Hold on. I think I've gone a little too far. Hold on. Let's try 20 like that. Let's see if it will actually make a glow. Oh, and this, oh, okay. And also this one's going to be 4 pixels. No, not 40. All right. Looks like I might need to change the color now. Purple instead of purple. Let's change it to something like green, maybe? Blue will blend in with the background. Green. Let's see, something like blue. Something like blue. Will it pop out? So, it's not quite popping out because it's not so big, I'm guessing? Because, maybe I should change the background. Hold on, let me change the background. Let's change, yeah, yellow's pretty good. So that it can stand out. I know I'm switching Medici's, but I have to. RGB. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, so that's the sign that's showing me. But seriously, I do not want to change that one. Oh. Z, 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 U. I want to change this into RGB. Alright, looks like we need. Well, it looks like purple's the best. I have to choose a dark color. So maybe I'm going to do something like black or something to make it stand out more. Because seriously, this thing will not stand out. Unless if I do black. I refreshed the wrong thing. Why isn't this thing standing out? Oh, I think it's the 20 pixels. Maybe I'm supposed to make this thing bigger. Hold on. Let's try like 60. I know that might be for an H3, but seriously, man. What? Okay, that won't work. Obviously. Alright, let's try making this thing stand out more by making it like 60 pixels. I know. Well, it looks like I might need to change the background. Let's change it from sky blue to yellow. I mean white. This. As light as I can be. Yep, like let's do 255, 255, 255. Oh, like this. Yep. That's good. I'm sorry guys. This happens all the time when I'm trying to do something with my mouse. Apologies. That happens, but oh, you know what? Background color. I'm supposed to change this. There. Alright, let's see. Hopefully. Why do I keep refreshing on that? Alright, I still do not see. You know what? I'm not going to put a shadow for the P tag. It's just hard to make it pop out. Or maybe if I do purple. What if I do purple? Is it going to stand out? Well, I only see a little bit. Oh, I don't see anything. Alright. Goodbye, shadow. I'm not putting shadows on P tag. Nope. Give up. I do not want a shadow on the P's because it's hard to make them pop out. There. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And goodbye, everyone.